Hello kids! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I draw a very easy and simple drawing for you. First of all, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today I draw a camera. First of all, you need to draw the box. Then draw the lines at the middle of the square. You can also use the scale. Using the scale makes the lines perfect. Then you need to draw the small circle. Draw the other circle to cover the small circle. Wow, that's so easy and simple drawing. You can draw this at your home without any difficulty. Then draw the button of the camera. Draw the two small buttons. And draw the one big button at the middle of the square. Who will tell me what is this? Yes, tell me. Exactly, it's camera. This is very easy and simple drawing. Don't forget to outline the camera. Use the black deeper marker to outline the camera. Let's coloring with me. Green is my favorite color. So I use this color. Do you like the green color? Do you like coloring? Then also use the green color in lower part of the camera. Wow, that looks so beautiful and awesome. Green color looks so beautiful and awesome. Then I use the blue color in the middle part of the camera. Blue is also my favorite color. Do you like the blue color? Wow, blue color looks so beautiful and awesome. Do you know what is camera? Camera is a device used to take pictures and make videos. We can use it to capture people, places, and special moments. Camera has a lens that helps it take clear pictures. We can also use a camera to record videos and share them with others. See, my drawing is ready. Wow, that's awesome drawing. See you soon.